Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn 200 sentences in past simple. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga interuro 200 muri past simple. Mbibutse yuko past simple ni igihe cyahahise dukoresha cyane iyo turimo turabara inkuru. Niba utarakora subscribe, yikore nonaha mbere yuko dutangira. I went home. I went home. Nagiye mu rugo. You ate food. You ate food. Wariye ibiryo. He played football. He played football. Yakinye umupira w'amaguru. She read a book. She read a book. Yasomye igitabo. We watched TV. We watched TV. Twarebye televiziyo. They came early. They came early. Baje kare. I saw him. I saw him. Namubonye. You drank water. You drank water. Wanyoye amazi. He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Yanditse ibaruwa. She opened the door. She opened the door. Yafunguye urugi. We closed the shop. We closed the shop. Twafunze iduka. They helped me. They helped me. Baramfashije. I called you. I called you. Naraguhamagaye. You liked it. You liked it. Warabikunze. You cooked rice. You cooked rice. Watetse umuceri. She cleaned the room. She cleaned the room. Yasukuye icyumba. We worked hard. We worked hard. Twakoze cyane. They laughed loudly. They laughed loudly. Basetse cyane. I met her. I met her. Nahuye nawe. You brought shoes. You brought shoes. Waguze inkweto. You bought shoes. You bought shoes. Waguze inkweto. He fixed it. He fixed it. Yayikosoye cyangwa se yayisanye. She danced well. She danced well. Yabyinye neza. We traveled far. We traveled far. Twatembereye kure. They built a house. They built a house. Bubatse inzu. I lost my phone. I lost my phone. Natakaje telefoni cyangwa se nabuze telefoni yanjye. You found it. You found it. Wayibonye cyangwa se warayibonye. He sat down. He sat down. Yicaye hasi. She stood up. She stood up. Yahagurutse. We learned English. We learned English. Twize icyongereza. They taught us. They taught us. Batwigishije. I felt happy. I felt happy. Nishimye cyangwa se numvise nishimye. You felt sad. You felt sad. Wababaye cyangwa se wumvise ubabaye. He ran fast. He ran fast. Yirutse vuba. She walked slowly. She walked slowly. Yagenze buhoro buhoro. Agenda n'amaguru. We sang a song. We sang a song. Twaririmbye indirimbo. They listened well. They listened well. Bateze amatwi neza. I slept early. I slept early. nasinziriye kare. You woke up late. You woke up late. Wabyutse utinze. He drove a car. He drove a car. Yatwaye imodoka. She washed clothes. She washed clothes. Yameshe imyenda. We opened books. We opened books. Twafunguye ibitabo. They answered questions. They answered questions. Basubije ibibazo. I asked a question. I asked a question. Nabajije ikibazo. You explained it well. You explained it well. Wabisobanuye neza. He forgot it. He forgot it. Yarabyibagiwe. She remembered me. She remembered me. Yanyibutse. We started early. We started early. Twatangiye kare. They finished work. They finished work. Barangije akazi. I visited him. I visited him. Naramusuye. You stayed home. You stayed home. Wagumye mu rugo. He cried yesterday. He cried yesterday. Yararize ejo hashize. She smiled at me. She smiled at me. Yansetse. We cooked together. We cooked together. Twatetse hamwe. They shared food. They shared food. Basangiye ibiryo. I jumped high. I jumped high. Nasimbutse hejuru cyane. You climbed a tree. You climbed a tree. Wuriye igiti. He cried. He carried a bag. He carried a bag. Yatwaye igikapu. She dropped it. She dropped it. Yagitaye. Cyase yagisize. We waited long. We waited long. Twategereje igihe kirekire. They arrived late. They arrived late. Bahageze batinze. I cleaned shoes. I cleaned shoes. Nasukuye inkweto. You repaired it. You repaired it. Warayikosoye. He painted a wall. He painted a wall. Yasize irangi ku rukuta. She borrowed money. She borrowed money. Yagurije amafaranga. We lent him money. We lent him money. Twamugurije amafaranga. They paid me. They paid me. Baranyishyuye. I sold a book. I sold a book. Nagurishije igitabo. You bought food. You bought food. Waguze ibiryo. He opened a shop. He opened a shop. Yafunguye iduka. She closed it. She closed it. Yarifunze. I played music. I played music. Nacuranze umuziki. You listened to me. You listened to me. Wanteze amatwi. He watched a movie. He watched a movie. Yarebye filime. She called her friend. She called her friend. Yahamagaye inshuti ye. We met them. We met them. Twahuye nabo. They greeted us. They greeted us. Baradusuhuje. I answered well. I answered well. nasubije neza. You spoke English. You spoke English. Wavuze icyongereza. He spoke French. He spoke French. Yavuze igifaransa. She learned fast. She learned fast. Yize vuba. We read together. We read together. Twasomye hamwe. They wrote notes. They wrote notes. Banditse inyandiko. I checked my phone. I checked my phone. Nasuzumye telefoni yanjye. Cyangwa se nagenzuye telefoni yanjye. You charged it. You charged it. Wayishyizemo umuriro. He fixed the light. He fixed the light. Yakoze itara. She turned it off. She turned it off. Yarizimije. We turned it on. We turned it on. Twaricanye. They cleaned outside. They cleaned outside. Basukuye hanze. I walked yesterday. I walked yesterday. Nakoze ejo hahise. Nakoze ejo hahise. You rested well. You rested well. Waruhutse neza. He enjoyed the game. He enjoyed the game. Yishimiye umukino. She hated the noise. She hated the noise. Yanze urusaku. We loved the food. We loved the food. Twakunze ibiryo. They hated the rain. They hated the rain. Banze imvura. I stayed calm. I stayed calm. Nagumye ntuje. You felt strong. You felt strong. Wiyumvisemo imbaraga cyangwa se wumvise ufite imbaraga. He became tired. He became tired. Yabaye ananiwe. She got angry. She got angry. Yarakaye. We felt good. We felt good. Twiyumvise neza. They felt bad. They felt bad. Biyumvise nabi. I opened the window. I opened the window. Nafunguye idirishya. You closed the window. You closed the window. Wafunze idirishya. He kicked the ball. He kicked the ball. Yakubise umupira. She threw the ball. She threw the ball. Yateye umupira. We caught it. We caught it. Twarayifashe. They missed it. They missed it. Barayibuze. They missed it. Barayibuze. I tried again. I tried again. Nagerageje nanone. You succeeded. You succeeded. Wabigezeho. He failed once. He failed once. Yatsinzwe rimwe. She tried hard. She tried hard. Yagerageje cyane. We planned well. We planned well. Twateguye neza. They organized it. They organized it. Barabiteguye. I prepared food. I prepared food. Nateguye ibiryo. You cooked beans. You cooked beans. Watetse ibishyimbo. He fried eggs. He fried eggs. Yakaranze amagi. She boiled water. She boiled water. Yatetse amazi. We ate together. We ate together. Twasangiye. They drank juice. They drank juice. Banyoye umutobe. I finished eating. I finished eating. Narangije kurya. You washed dishes. You washed dishes. Wogeje amasahani. You washed dishes. Wogeje amasahani. He cleaned the table. He cleaned the table. Yasukuye ameza. She wiped it. She wiped it. Yayahanaguye. We sat together. We sat together. Twicaye hamwe. They talked a lot. They talked a lot. Bavuganye cyane. I told a story. I told a story. Navuze inkuru. You listened quietly. You listened quietly. Wateze amatwi ucecetse. He explained clearly. He explained clearly. Yasobanuye neza. She understood it. She understood it. Yarabyumvise. We agreed. We agreed. Twabyumvikanyeho. They disagreed. They disagreed. Ntibabyumvikanyeho. I helped my friend. I helped my friend. Nafashije inshuti yanjye. You supported me. You supported me. Waranshyigikiye. He protected her. He protected her. Yaramurinze. She trusted him. She trusted him. Yaramwizeye. We believed it. We believed it. Twarayizeye. Iki Imana. They doubted it. They doubted it. Bayishidikanyijeho. I remembered you. I remembered you. Narakwibutse. You forgot me. You forgot me. Wanyibagiwe. He missed school. He missed school. Yabuze ishuri. She attended class. She attended class. Yitabiriye ishuri. We studied hard. We studied hard. Twize cyane. They passed exam. They passed exam. Batsinze ibizamini. I failed once. I failed once. Natsinzwe rimwe. You improved fast. You improved fast. Wateye imbere vuba. He practiced daily. He practiced daily. Yitoje buri munsi. She trained well. She trained well. Yitoje neza. We played again. We played again. Twongeye gukina. Twongeye gukina. They won the game. They won the game. Batsinze umukino. I lost the match. I lost the match. Natsinzwe umukino. You celebrated it. You celebrated it. Warabyishimiye. He danced yesterday. He danced yesterday. Yabyinnye ejo hashize. She sang loudly. She sang loudly. Yaririmbye cyane arangurura. We clapped hands. We clapped hands. Twakomye amashyi. They cheered. They cheered loudly. Barishimye cyane. They cheered loudly. Barishimye cyane. I smiled again. I smiled again. Nongeye kumwenyura. He joked a lot. He joked a lot. Yasekeje cyane cyangwa se yateye urwenya cyane. She played games. She played games. Yakinye imikino. We enjoyed time. We enjoyed time. Twishimiye igihe. They rested late. They rested later. They rested later. Baruhutse nyuma. I traveled yesterday. I traveled yesterday. Nagenze ejo hahise. Cyangwa se natembere ejo hahise. You visited Kigali. You visited Kigali. Wasuye Kigali. He stayed there. He stayed there. Yagumyeyo. She returned home. She returned home. Yagarutse mu rugo. We left air. We left air. Twagiye kare. They arrived safely. They arrived safely. Bahageze amahoro. I packed my bag. I packed my bag. Napakiye igikapu cyanjye. You unpacked it. You unpacked it. Waragipakuruye. He carried it. He carried it. Yaragitwaye. She dropped it. She dropped it. Yaragicyuye. We walked together. We walked together. Twagenze hamwe. They ran fast. They ran fast. Birutse vuba. I jumped again. I jumped again. Nasimbutse nanone. You fell down. You fell down. Waguye hasi. He stood up. He stood up. Yahagurutse. She sat down. She sat down. Yicaye hasi. We looked around. We looked around. Twitegereje cyangwa se twakebaguje. Twararanganyije amaso. They found a place. They found a place. Babonye ahantu cyangwa se umwanya. I stayed there. I stayed there. Nagumyeyo. You left air. You left air. Wagiye kare. She walked today. She walked today. Yakoze uyu munsi. She finished air. She finished air. Yarangije kare. We helped them. We helped them. Twabafashije. They thanked us. They thanked us. Badushimiye. I welcomed him. I welcomed him. Naramwakiriye cyangwa se namuhaye ikaze. You greeted her. You greeted her. Waramusuhuje. He smiled at us. He smiled at us. Yaradusetse. We waved goodbye. We waved goodbye. Twasezeyeho. We said goodbye to them. We said goodbye to them. Twabasezeyeho. They left quickly. They left quickly. Bagiye vuba. I started work. I started work. Natangiye akazi. You finished it. You finished it. Warakirangije. He opened class. He opened class. Yafunguye ishuri. She closed class. She closed class. Yafunze ishuri. We learned a lot. We learned a lot. Twize byinshi. They taught well. They taught well. Bigishije neza. I improved a lot. I improved a lot. Niteje imbere cyane. You worked hard. You worked hard. Wakoze cyane. He tried again. He tried again. Yaragerageje nanone. She succeeded well. She succeeded well. Yabigezeho neza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.